In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the URL of a website. First, let's understand what a URL is. A URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It's the web address you type into your browser to visit a website. For example, https://www.google.com. Now, here's how you can get the URL of any website. Open your web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Go to the website you want, look at the top of your browser, click on the address bar. The full website address will be highlighted. Right-click and select Copy, or press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. That's it, you've copied the URL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful and easy guides. Thanks for watching.